Well, we've had overcast skies today, but temperatures still made it well into the 70s. That's 15 degrees above normal, 75 degrees. The normal being 60, the record though 85. And so far we have been rain-free, but that may not be the case all evening long. We do have a WFA weather alert day that is for Saturday, which is unfortunately Valentine's Day. So we are going to be watching some weather that's coming in for the weekend. We're talking about widespread rain, isolated thunderstorms are possible, not expecting any severe weather at this time. But what you need to do is just stay updated with the latest forecast. Make sure to download the WFA Plus to your TV app because we're going to be doing some streaming cut-ins likely on there. Right now, though, it is overcast. Temperatures are still in the low 70s. The cold front has come through. Many of us now have more of a north wind, but technically at this area, we've got more of a south-southeast wind. But you can definitely tell where the colder air has already moved in. We're at 59 degrees in Archer City, 49 in Haskell, but still 73 in downtown Dallas and 65 degrees in Denton. Satellite and radar, it looks like we've got rain all across the Metroplex. That is just certainly not the case right now. Obviously, that is, though, an indication that moisture is continuing to move in, but the rain that is actually falling is well out to the west around Seymour, Haskell, and just west of Albany. Wouldn't be surprised if we're starting to get a few sprinkles around Fort Worth, but the heavier coverage or the heavier intensity with the highest coverage will wait until later this evening. So what we are seeing on our local radar is the fact that we are seeing a little bit of light rain around Meridian, around Bowie. It had some sprinkles around Graham, but the Metroplex, for the most part, it's dry right now. This evening, though, those chances will start to go up. Little by little, we're looking at 30, maybe about a 40% coverage. That's going to be 8 o'clock, and I think that's when we're going to have that best chance of seeing some scattered showers around the Metroplex. That continues at about 10 o'clock, around midnight. By midnight, most of the rain will be just east of the Metroplex, and then overnight tonight, skies clear out, and tomorrow will be nice and sunny again. Thursday looks pretty quiet. We're going to go ahead and fast forward to Friday because that is when that next storm system starts to move in. Friday, we are expecting cloudy skies, but the rain's going to hold off until late that evening and during the overnight hours. So now we're looking at about 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see the showers, especially on the south sides of the Metroplex and areas to the south and west, but the coverage looks pretty much widespread by the time we get into Saturday morning all the way through early Saturday afternoon. But if you do have any evening plans, just pay attention to the forecast because, you know, some of the latest data is keeping the rain out of here by late afternoon. So the evening looks pretty dry at this point. And then on Sunday, it looks really nice. We're going to see some sunshine, but temperatures will be hanging out in the 60s. So tomorrow, behind today's cold front, we are dropping down into the upper 60s, but even at 67 degrees, that's 7 degrees above normal. We're in the upper 70s for Thursday and Friday. The next cold front comes in, showers and a few thunderstorms, especially early on Saturday. Temperatures knocked down because of that, mid 60s, upper 60s on Sunday, and we're back in the low 70s by early next week. So for tonight, we're going with about a 30, maybe a 40% coverage of some showers moving in late this evening and overnight. Tomorrow afternoon, though, we're dry, sunny, and pleasantly cool. Temperatures in the upper 60s, upper 70s, though, for Thursday and Friday. Our WFA weather alert day is on Valentine's Day, but mainly early right now. The timing of that, though, could, of course, change. We're to be fine-tuning it as we get closer. President's Day looks dry, partly cloudy, a high of around 70. The second half of that 14-day, we still see a couple more chances of rain. We also see lots of 60s and 70s. So for the most part, temperatures are staying above normal.